Is the mic gonna work? Send the link to some people. Okay, it should be good. When life gets too complicated. Alright. Hey, what up, Bob Gills? What up, what up, what up? New pin chat. You can now pin message to the top of your live chat. Interesting. Okay. What am I doing here? Oh, yeah. I send this. My bad. Okay. Discord. What up, fam? Did you guys watch the debate or whatever? Actually, I don't want to talk about politics. That's just a bad idea in every scenario. Live now. All right. Let's head over to LeetCode.com. Oh, day 2, guys. Did I title it day 2? Man, I'm tired. What's with that cough? I didn't like that. I have an interview tomorrow. Can you hear me, by the way? Let me check on that really quick. Let me check that, let me see.
This is Ruth.
And we got an ad. 1 second. I want to make sure my audio is quality. And I'm gonna, day 2, by the way. The easy problems all week. I need my headphones, which are literally right next to me on the table, so I'm just stupid. And let me just check this audio. Yeah, audio's good. Okay, audio's good. Let me also just make sure the audio is good when I put these freaking headphones in. If you're new, please subscribe. Smash the like button. All that crap. Let me know. Let's see if you can hear me now. I just put my headphones in. I think it should be fine still. Just want to check really quick. Check really quick. External microphone. So it should be this, right? Okay. Really quick. External microphone. All right, we're gonna interview tomorrow morning. Are you done with coding? No, that was clickbait. Have you guys ever heard of clickbait? If you watch the video that I posted, why I hate coding, I just list some things that suck about tech industry and coding stuff. Technically, I do list. It's not that bad of clickbait because I list what I hate. But I clickbait why I hate coding. Sounds a little harsher than it is, but it's basically the reasons that the things I don't like about coding. While there are many things I do, of course. Otherwise, why would I do it? Imagine if your interviewer watches that video. I think it's totally fine. I mean, I made all valid points. I don't think that I said anything out of line. Like I said, all valid things. All right. This is day 2. We are on our track of 35 easy problems, which we've already did like 15, even though we've only done 1 day and it's 5 a day. But we did 5 yesterday. We're going to move into day 2. I do need to update my Patreon and membership with all the stuff we did yesterday. I watched on Twitch after my stream yesterday. I watched a lot of systems design videos on Twitch. I watched some YouTube videos last night as well. So, I'm pretty solidly sticking to this, although I could have maybe done a little more, but I think I did fine amount yesterday. I think the main thing is the LeetCode problems and just the video watching. So, how are you at socialization? Very bad. Very bad, sir. I don't know. All right. So, like I said, we're going to go over the ones we wanted to go over from yesterday. Things that we struggled with a little bit. Rotate array, we struggled with the algorithm. I think I have that memorized now. Valid palindrome was just lower. That one we don't even need to look at. Character is letter or digit. Just remember those methods. Understand solution, but couldn't come up. Okay, symmetric tree we had difficulty with. So we could look at rotate array really quick. Rotate array, boom. Don't look at the solution, guys. Do not look at the solution. It's just don't even look at it, right? The algorithm, honestly, I know the code. I don't want to spend too much time. I kind of want to get into new problems. I already know the algorithm is rotate, or no. Reverse entire array, then reverse first k digits, then reverse last k digits. So that's how you rotate the array. I'm just gonna like look at it because that is like for sure the freaking answer. Look, reverse all numbers, reverse first k numbers, reverse last k numbers. So, all right, we don't need to honestly look at this. The reverse method, you call it 3 times. Yeah, we get it. So let's just do some new problems. Let's just do some new problems. I don't know what that was. How are you guys doing? Are you guys studying for interviews? Is anyone following along with this still? 5 more easy problems today is what we're doing. So I'm already a little tired, but I remember that coding a lot, doing all this shit is draining. So what am I gonna expect? I'm already tired from yesterday though. It's only been one day. So this is going to be a lot of shit we got to go through mentally to get to the end of this month. Could you share the doc file with all the problems? I'm sharing that on Patreon, and then you can just watch me stream. I just don't really have anything for my patrons and members, so I need to do something. And, but I mean, literally I'm streaming right now, so you could just watch while I do the stream. But I need content for those people because they support me and they're freaking nice, so I need to do that. All right, let's do min stack. Yo, Nick White, looks like you're watching debate. I watched a little bit. So this is a very popular problem. Is it just implementing a stack? I don't remember. I think it might be. Push is push an element onto the stack. Design a stack that supports push, pop, top, retrieve the minimum element in constant time. So we want the minimum element in constant time. Looks like you're watching debate. Oh yeah, we already saw that. Okay, so let's just get into this. As we get into this, let's focus. Okay. What do we use? A linked list, or do we use an array? I think we could use an array, to be honest. We're making a min stack. Can we use a stack? Is that allowed? I don't understand. Can I use a stack with just a min variable? I don't understand. Pop, top. What is the constraints on this? It's saying that I can use a stack. My interview's tomorrow at 12, so I actually woke up a few hours ago, so I don't know how I'm going to sleep for that. Okay. Anyone know? I can use a stack. Okay. Initialize your data structure here. Stack. Is this how you do it? Stack. Integers. Stack equals new stack. And then you push onto the stack. What do you do here? This dot stack equals stack. I don't know. Is that right? No? Something like that? Okay, push onto the stack. This dot stack dot push x. What? This doesn't seem right. This dot stack dot pop. How is this allowed? Is this allowed? What is top? Top, get the top element. Int top equals this dot stack dot peak. Return top. Is this it? And then int min is equal to integer dot min value. This dot min is equal to min. This can't be right? So when you add a new element, oh, you have to account for this. Okay. If x is greater than this dot min. This dot min equals x. Is that right? And then return this dot min. Does this count all right? Am I allowed to do this? Interview push 2 times val minus 1. What is this? Use toStack. Why is this? Get min will return that value. You'll need to attribute min your class get min. I don't know. Am I doing it right? Okay, pop. If, so then we'll say, and pop equals this dot stack dot peak. If pop equals this dot min. Oh no, because we need the second minimum if we're gonna do this. So it's a little bit harder. Okay. I was gonna say this is kind of stupid. We need the second minimum number. Okay. How would we even get that? That seems impossible. Okay, let me think. You push 2, you push -2, you push 0, you push -3. You can't just keep a reference to the second minimum because then that could get popped. You don't know. You need to keep resetting it. I mean, maybe. No, you can't do that. Well, someone said use 2 stacks. Okay, you have 1 stack for all the numbers regularly, and then you have another stack for the minimums. Is that kind of right? No, you can only use 1 min when you pop. That's why double stack. Okay, yeah, keep track of the mins. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That kind of makes sense. If you're new here, please subscribe. All right. Do I just put that min stack? Oh, because it's called min stack. D. Okay, so you use 1. Okay. All right. So when you push this dot min stack, let's say it's like this. Let's say it's this. If x is greater, oh sorry, no, we want the min. Okay, if x is less than this dot min, do we also need this dot min? Hold on. No. The stack, it should always be, so the first element, okay, if this dot min stack dot is empty, then we do this dot min stack dot push x. So if the min stack is empty, then you push it on. If it's not empty and it's less than the minimum, then you push it on? Or wait, no. You want the minimum at the top. If x is less than min stack length minus 1, push x min stack. If x is, we should keep track of min. That's what I was kind of thinking. I don't know. If you push -2, okay, let's just think about it. Min is 0. They push -2. That's obviously minimum. Or the minimum's whatever. The minimum is the maximum value. And then you push -2. Okay. That's the new minimum. So you have this min stack with -2. And then when you push 0, that's not minimum. So that would go under. You'd want -2 to be on top. So how would that work? I would think you'd want a Q. Pop and then push. You must use something. Good jump. check for empty stack as well. Create some kind of flag mechanism. All right. I don't think anyone's giving me good ideas here. I just want to look at it. Okay, see, this is way easier than what we were... Okay, this is what I was originally doing, but then the 2-stack thing kind of threw me off. Okay. Top, you just get the peak. You return the minimum. That's what I had. If stack.pop is min, min equals stack.pop. Okay, hold on. If stack.pop is equal to min, then min is equal to stack.pop. Does this pop it twice? If pop operation could result in changing the minimum value, pop twice and change the current minimum to the last value. What? How does that work? This is interesting. I'm pretty sure I have a video on this too. Lol. Is this it? Let's see. 30 days of this, guys. 30 freaking days of this fucking... I mean, I feel like I'm getting a little better, even though I failed this one miserably. But it's day 2. You know, so talk to me on day 7. Or talk to me on day 14. I'll be killing probably by then. Stack. Okay. I don't like this. First of all, that's just ugly. Push X. If X is less than or equal to min, and you push it, and min is X. And then you push it again? Oh, shit. They're pushing double values. That's smart. Hold on. Only push the old minimum value. So you push X regularly. You just push any element, but if it's the minimum, then you push the old minimum. Oh, shit. You push the second minimum value right behind the new minimum value so that when you pop it off, you have access to that the second minimum value, second lowest number, like right away. That's smart as shiz, dude. Push the old minimum value, and then you always push the fucking new value, dude. That's smart. That's very smart. Will you be saving this later on for your members? Yeah, members and Patreons. I will save this stream. I did have issues with people just sending the streams around yesterday, like not a lot. So I privated the one yesterday. I'm going to have to make URLs for them to have them not accessible or whatever the hell, you know. I don't fucking know. I'm going to have to figure it out. If operations could result in the changing of the current minimum value, pop twice and make the current minimum value. Okay, so you pop, and when you pop, and if it's the min, then that means you pop the min, so you need to set the min equal to the second min, which is always right behind the minimum. Whenever you get a new minimum, you put the second minimum, so whenever you pop, you just set the min to the next element. He's going to do medium and hard as well. Yes, second week and third week are medium, and last week's hard. Where you apply for work, I have MongoDB interview at 12, and then I have another interview at 5 p.m. Tomorrow, so I have 2 interviews tomorrow. And then I have a lot of and then I have to stream for a bunch of hours, do these problems. And then I have Thursday, I'm doing that video with Clement, and I have to stream. And then Friday I have an interview as well. So booked up week for sure. I'm going to write that we did this, and I'm going to say come back to it, because of course I didn't do it first try. Min stack clever solution, come back and try again. Should remember. I think I'll remember it. All right, we're going to put min stack on the back burner. I think I'm going to do it again at the end of the stream. Let's just do a couple other problems first. You know, and that's what we'll do. I got Popeyes on the way, you know, and we're hanging out. Patreon never worked for me. All right, I don't know what that means. Comment gets held for review for some reason, maybe because you sent some stupid crap in the past or something. Oops. All right, let's pull this off. Do you guys have interviews coming up, or are you studying or anything for stuff? Anyone have success? I've gotten a couple messages lately of people succeeding. Chicken will not help you think. That is true. I already ate so much today too, but my brain is tired, man. I gotta eat some junk food, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do a little fast. So today going hard on the food. Tomorrow do a fast. Interviews, have some clarity, mental clarity with the fast. Should be, I would hope. And then, that's how we do it. The fast. Anyone fast here? I do it like once every 2 weeks. All right. Best time to buy and sell stock. Did we do this one? Is this dynamic programming? This seems like a friggin' dynamic programming type shit. All right. We'll do this one next. Did I do this yet? No. No, we did not. Okay. Best time to buy and sell stock. I'm going to make a Google Drive, Google page for this, honestly. I have Google interview tomorrow. Oh, shit, man. That's intense. I was studying until I got interrupted by the debate. Yeah, true. Interested in computer graphics programs. Not right now. Sounds interesting in like my head, but just got an offer today. Oh, Kush. That's actually Kush. Congratulations. Everyone, I don't know. Say congrats to this person. Love seeing that. You say you have an array for the ith element. Price is given on the ith day. If you are permitted to complete at most one transaction, buy one, sell one share of stock, design the algorithm to find the maximum profit. Okay, we want to find max profit. Max profit will be equal to prices of 0. That just doesn't sound right at all, but it's fine. Why do I have a feeling this is dynamic programming? Hold on. If I don't, maybe I remember it. Maybe I did it before. Are you doing Pramp as well? Yeah, that'll be at the end, more towards the end. Probably 3rd or 4th weeks. I'll be doing those. Anyone heard of SmoothStack DC? They offer me a code test. Okay, sketch things about them. Maybe stay aware or some shiz about that, dude. All right. Okay. No, you cannot spell. So hold on. All right, I'm ignoring the chat for a minute so we could try this. Say you have an array for the ith element, for which the ith element, so any of these, is the price given on stock day I. Okay, so the price on this day is 7, then it goes to 1, then it goes, so it's all one stock. Okay. If you're permitted to complete at most one transaction, buy one and sell one share of the stock, design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. So we can only buy one share and sell one share. So the maximum profit is 5 because on day 2 it's 1. So we get it at a low point, and then we sell it on day 5, which is 2, 3, 4, 5. So we sell it on 6. That's a 5 profit. Okay. In this one, no transaction is done. Max profit is 0 because it's always negative. Because if you buy here, it goes down. If you buy here, it goes down. If it buys here, you go down. If it buys there, you go down. So how do we do this? How do we get the maximum profit? Well, if we want to find any two, this might not be dynamic programming, honestly. Let me think. We want to find a low value, and then we want to find a value later on that is larger. I'm waiting for the food. My DoorDasher just messaged me. Classic. So we want to find a low value and then find a higher value later, and we want to find the maximum difference basically from 2 points. The maximum difference from 2 points that is positive. So 1 point being before, 1 point being later. So how can I do that? Well, if I do 1 and then I check 1 and 5, that's 4. And then I keep moving my pointer. If I have 2 pointers, let's say. Set 1 here, and then I look through all the other possibilities. Then I set 1 here, and then I look through all the other possibilities, and I set 1 here. That's brute force, though. That's going to be n squared. Okay. What if I did... I think you might, if you store them, let me think. If you store the results, I mean, let's say I use a hash map, and I say, okay, 7 and 1. No, that's not good. Let me think. It's got to be dynamic programming, right? Too many possibilities. So what would dynamic programming be in this? If you had the initial one is 7, and you say, okay, it's 0. And then you keep going, and then you say, well, let's look at the profit from before. I'm not so sure at how to do this. Let me think. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. The maximum profit. Is this a window one? No. You start here. And it goes down. So then you found a lower number. Hold on. If you find a lower number, do you automatically go with it? I think you might. Because if you have a 7 and then you have a 1, then you would just say, screw the 7. Because whatever's after this is better. Because it's going down. So as soon as you find... Okay, so that's my first idea. Is okay, when we find a lower number, disregard everything before it. Because we want to find a starting point, right? And we want a low number. So if it's going down, we want this 1. And then we go and we find the maximum number. Is that it? So we have, let's say we have a variable called low. And we go until we find the minimum number. And then we go until we find the maximum number. Is it something like that? I mean, why am I thinking about it like that? Is that right? I was thinking this is dynamic programming. So let's say min num is equal to integer dot, or let's just say it's prices of 0. For int I and prices, min num equals math.min of min num and I. Okay, so we have the minimum. And now for int I equals 0, I less than prices.length, I plus plus, int max num, prices of 0, if, well, we could just do this, prices of I. No, we can't. Okay, let's just say this. If current num or no, max profit. This can be set to 0 because we'd want that. Okay. If I is greater than, so we would want to know that it's after this number, after the minimum was found. So we need to know the index that the minimum number was found. Is that right? Am I fucking being dumb or something? Let me know if I'm being stupid here, guys. I'm just trying to learn here. Okay, I might be being really stupid. Okay. So the min num is prices of 0. And we get the minimum, right? Prices of I. Data. Let's just say this is called data. Data of 0 is equal to I. Data of 1 is equal to min num. Okay. So now we know the index. If I of this is greater than data of 0 and prices current num is greater than min num, then max profit is equal to math.max of max profit and current num minus min num. Is this right? This is what I have. I don't know. 0. Okay, I got 0. Expected 5. But it would go and it would find the minimum value. Oh, no, the min num. What am I doing? Still 0. Yeah, okay. 7, 1. So it has the minimum number. And it goes through all of them. 7, and then 1, and then 5. So 5 is greater than... So 2 is greater than 1. And 5 is greater than 1. So the max profit is equal to the max of max profit and current num minus data of 1. Why is this wrong? I would think this is right. This is my best guess. That's what I thought. 1 for loop. Okay. This becomes overly complex. You did Alright. Well, I tried. I think I'm gonna look another fail, guys. Another fail, but you know, I think this is somewhat similar. But that's what I was thinking, something like this. What is this? Okay. So you get the max value. Is this recorded anywhere? No. Okay. Alright. Let's not, mate. Let's not. Okay. This is just looping. If prices of I is less than the min price, then we set the minimum. Okay, we have the minimum. And if prices of I minus min price is greater than the max profit equals price of I. I mean, this is what I did kind of in my head. I mean, I didn't need to do 2 loops, it looks like, because it's just obvious that if prices of I is not the minimum, then we have set the minimum already, right? So we already have a minimum. So we would just say, okay, price of I minus min price. There already is a minimum, so you would just check that that's greater than the max, and then you just say, okay, max is equal to that. So, I mean, I don't know what was wrong with mine. Mine is finding the minimum, right? So this finds the minimum. So we have the minimum value. And then it looks through the max profit. It gets the current number. And then I check if I is greater than data. I mean, what happens if I do this? Yeah, it's just a fail. I don't know exactly why mine was wrong. It's kind of just ugly and bad, though, but it was close. I love you. Thank you. That's what everyone should be saying to me. Just kidding. I'm just actually stupid. So that's it. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm getting up. No, I'm just kidding. I'm still on. We still got 3 problems to go, and I have to go over both of these. Came up with very close solution, but code was bad. Go over again. Should understand. Okay. You loop through the prices, you get the price, you set the minimum, because all we need is the minimum. I thought through it, like I thought through the idea of it, so it made sense to me. And then you look at the current one, and I mean, I probably have a video on this, so that makes sense too. You look at it, you subtract from the minimum, because you know that the minimum's already set. If it's greater than the max profit, you set the max profit. The max profit was 0, this was the max, and yeah, that's it. So that's a lot more simple than what I wrote, but you know, whatever. For day 2, I don't think it's bad. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to go to the bathroom really quick. I'll be right back. Got hand sanitizer. I use hand sanitizer. Don't call me out for not washing my hands. Alright, nope, I washed the hands, dude. Don't call me out. Hand sanitizer. Totally used hand. I did, dude. Don't call me out, dude. Alright. Why do you directly submit and not run Codeforce? Because I'm a savage and I don't really care about my LeetCode acceptance rate at all. So I don't really care about it. So that's why. These are the problems that I'm doing to study. Let's do top 100 liked. Let's switch over to top interview questions. We're on an 0 for 2 thing right now, though. We're kind of failing miserably so far. Well, I am. I mean, not you. I don't know why I'm lumping you guys in. You guys are doing bad today. No, I'm just kidding. Delete node in the linked list. That's what I like to see. Such a scam problem. Wait, why is it so disliked? Because it's too easy. Questions confusing? What? Are you kidding me? Good question for beginners. I kid you not. I agree with you. What a stupid question. Wow, these people are mad. Why we need to solve such a stupid question. Look how mad they are. Delete a node. You will not be given access. Well, I hope I can do this. People are roasting it so hard. Alright. Well, node not equal null. Node equals node.next. That's my starter. You will not be given access to the head. Wait, what? Instead, you'll be given access to the node to be deleted? What? Does it have a previous? Just does a next? Excuse me? 3. Wait, how do I access the list? I don't know how to do this at all. My Popeyes is about to show up too. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What function to delete in a single linked list? You'll not be given access to the head of the list. You'll be access to the node to delete directly. How do I get to it? What? I have the node. There's no previous. Can I loop? How do I loop backwards? What? How do I just say node? I delete this, and then this goes to this. But I need to get to this one to do that. Hold on. How the fuck do I do it? Am I insane? Change the data and delete the node next to it? Loop both until the second is at the head. It goes back around? What do you mean loop both? It's so nice to see him struggle also. Reaction was savage. What? I remember this one. The answer is stupid. Okay. Just overwrite the delete node with the next node. Is this it? What? I don't get it. I don't understand at all, dude. Oh, I think I do get it now. Oh, node.data. Okay. I get it. I get it. Int val next val equals node.next.val. Node.val equals next val. So you just take the next value, overwrite the current node. So if you want to delete this 1, you just turn this 1 into a 9, and then you just remove its reference. Is that it? Or node equals node.next.next. Is that actually it? Because that's pretty stupid. And also, why is it dnext? Is this the answer? Because that's pretty stupid. What is... Can't find what? It says dnext, doesn't it? What? Is it because I didn't put dnext here? Oh no, my Popeyes is here. Is this what I'm supposed to do? I don't understand. What is this dnext? It's not allowed? Do I have reference to the dnext? Or is it just next? What? Oh, okay. Like, what? That's so stupid. Okay, well, this problem is stupid, and I understand why people are mad. This problem is actually stupid. I don't know why I like that problem. This is so dumb. It was a typo. Okay. I think that was stupid. That was definitely stupid as shit. I don't even know if I want to count that as one of the problems I did today. But we'll just put it anyway. What is it called? Delete node in a linked list. But we'll do 6 today, because that's stupid. That was very dumb. Okay. Maybe we should just start going down tracks now that we did a little bit of everything. Maybe I should just head over to some linked list ones, kind of crush them, because they're not that bad. You know, head over to linked list instead of, you know, let's just starting where we got to go. Okay, so these are all the easy ones. This was the only premium one. It looks like I've done all of them before. We could do this palindrome one, I guess. Yesterday's video is unavailable for the last time. I'm only making it available for members and patrons. I cannot make these available publicly because my channel will literally be ruined by doing that. So, I can't just be putting live stream every single day of me doing LeetCode problems and studying for my thing. I like my channel is a log of videos or whatever. Given a single, but I do stream on Twitch and stuff. I don't freaking know what am I saying? Let's do this. I got my Popeyes is literally here outside, but I'm just not getting it because I'm stupid. Okay, given a single linked list, determine if it's a palindrome. Okay, 1, 2 is false because do we know what a palindrome is? Race car is a palindrome. Same way forward is backwards. Boom. Same way forward is backwards. When you stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time, I don't think you're allowed to do that. Okay. So to check if this is a palindrome, we only have reference to the next node, then I would want to just go to the middle. Right? So wait, if I go here and then I go here, wait, if I go forward from the middle, let me think about this. If I go forward from the middle, then it should be reversed. Get your Popeyes. All right, I'm going to get my Popeyes. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get my Popeyes. I'm just thinking about it. I got to get it. I'll be right back. Yo. Popeyes. Alright, I'm back. They gave me the wrong food. Well, they gave me the wrong... It's 5 a.m. Why am I here? I don't know. Well, they didn't give me the wrong food. They gave me, the wrong drink. I've never had Popeyes. That's not bad, though. Uber Eats or Postmates? Neither, man. I got DoorDash. I got the Dash Pass. And then we have the spicy chicken sandwich, which I remember the chicken sandwich was like this huge hype a while ago. It's pretty good. I don't know if it's that hyped up. It's good, though. I like it. I like it a lot. Is it from Burger King? No. Can you code in Python? No, I'm sorry, dude. I can, but I'm not going to. I just think Java's the best language to interview in. Welcome, junior developer. Thank you, sir. I just gotta kill this real quick, sorry. It's hard to balance my life with interviews and streaming and eating. And videos. Did you get a girlfriend yet? Are you high? Java's best but tough? I don't think it's that tough. C++ is a lot more difficult. I think there's a lot of harder stuff, dude. Java's not that bad. $1,400 MacBook. This MacBook was actually $3,600. Believe it or not. So expensive. And so not worth it. This is spicy, man. How do I get my first internship? Make a resume and apply. Alright, I'm about to be done. I didn't order this drink. I got an unsweetened tea. Pretty good. But, unfortunately, I need to now put on a sweatshirt because I ate so much today. I'm going to do a fast tomorrow, but that just destroyed me. So we're going to have a sweatshirt and then continue studying. I do have coffee right next to me, so I'm going to slug some of that too, which will help. But eating unhealthy is one of the things I noticed makes it a lot harder to pass interviews. Is like you have to eat healthy, live a healthy lifestyle. Really to be successful at anything, to be honest. Oh, a few sips of soda. Bruh, finished chewing. What the fuck? This dude's nasty. I'm sorry, dude. I mean, I'm streaming, so. I just wanted to, like, eat it as fast as possible. What should I do to watch all your videos for a month? I mean, I don't know. I'm not. What do you mean? Watch them, I guess? I don't know. Given a single list to determine if it's a palindrome. Okay, we can only go forward. O of n time O of 1 space. So, 1, 2. Once we get to halfway, what if we put them on a stack? Is that how you do it? Scene equals new stack. Let's say it's a stack. This is just my first idea for how we do it. Okay, let's say we have int n is equal to 0, for example. List node current equals head, while current is not equal to null. I think it was a big mistake eating that. While current is not equal to null, current equals current dot next. And plus plus. And then what we can do is just set current equal to head again. While current is not equal to null, so this is 2 loops. Okay, it says O of 1 space, so I'm just stupid because this is space. How do we do it in O of 1 space? Yeah. Sorry, I just realized that now. Let's think about this. 1 dot next is 2, 2 dot next is 2. So we look at the node, and then if the next, if we have the length, and then we go to halfway, and then we go backwards, we cannot go backwards because there is no way to do that. We can only go forward. If we go to halfway, what I would want to do is go halfway and then have one go backwards, one go forward. It can't do that. But if I go... Can I make 2 versions? Is it like where you do something like this? Dude, I'm recovering from that Popeyes. I wish I did not eat that on stream. That was a terrible idea to order. Okay. Terrible idea for my health in general. Okay, so let's say I make it more like this. If I make it like this huge list, right? And then I start one of them here. One of them at halfway the size of the first one. And go to the length of the list. No. Popeye's fire was why he hating? Yeah, I don't know. It was good, but not healthy. Not really brain food, man. Kind of coma food that makes you not want to freaking live stream that much, but you know what? We're fine, dude. We're fine. Java, easy to understand. Fast and slow starting at the head, but it goes back around. Can we solve reversing the second half and comparing the 2 halves? How do you reverse? Oh, we use reverse. Oh, yeah, reverse the linked list. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. So you make the reverse linked list method. I think we had an issue doing that the last time. I should go over that again. I think I did have an issue with that one. What do you eat, Nick? I usually eat very healthy. But tomorrow I'm gonna fast because Popeyes, dude. Popeyes tough. But usually I get a like kale and spinach and fruit kind of drink every morning. And then I have some kind of meal like whatever it might be, grilled chicken and vegetables, something like that. Or salmon and potatoes and blah 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 blah, stuff like that. Linked list can be reversed recursively or iteratively. Okay. Prev. Okay, so let's think about this. No. We did kind of understand it last time. Let's just go through both of these really quick. You look at 3 at a time, and prev is equal to new list node of 0. And then we do list node is current. And then while current is not equal to null, we do list node next node. So we look at 3 at a time is equal to current.next. And then we set what we did is we popped this one off every single time. So we disconnected it. We set prev. So this would be current because the one would be null. We disconnect it by saying current.next is equal to prev. So you set it to the previous one. That disconnects it. And then you take the next node dot next. Well, no. Then you set, hold up. You set current dot next equal to prev, and then you set prev equal to current. So you set it equal to this, right? Is that right? So you set it, this was current, you pop it off, and then you set the next node's next equal to the current node. Dude, you guys are typing so much. Jesus. Shit up. Okay, I'm canceling out the chat for a minute so I could just think about this. I'm not thinking about it for a minute because... Okay, let's think about this. Prev is null. Current is head. Next node is equal to 2. So prev is 1. Next node is equal to 2. You pop the 1 off. So what we want to do is we want to pop the 1 off. Current is equal to head. Next node is equal to 2. Current.next, 1.next is equal to prev, because it's going to look more like this. Prev, which is null. It's going to be 1. And then we want to set 2's.next. So 2 is next node. Next node.next is going to be current. Next node.next is going to be current. Next node.next equals current. And that would disconnect this though. So we don't want to do that actually. We don't want to do this. We need to do prev is now equal to current. Current is equal to next node. Holy shit. Current is equal to the next node, right? So you just move it along. So you move current now equal to 2. Prev, well, you said prev is equal to current, and then current is equal to the next node. So prev is null. Then you set prev is null. You have access to the 3 nodes, and then you set the current.next equal to prev. Current.next equals prev. Prev is equal to current, so current.next, 2.next, well, 1.next is equal to null, and then you set prev equal to 1, and then current gets set to next node, which is 2, and then you repeat the process. And next node is basically just a temp then, and then after the end you return prev because it would end up being current at the very end, which would be the head. Is this the right answer? Output is, there's an extra 0. Why is there an extra 0? Prev. Return prev. Well, you would keep doing that, and then you get to the last one, and prev would get set to current. Well, I mean, if I change this, but is this actually the answer? I don't think that was the answer. What am I doing wrong here? Do I trace through the whole thing? Prev is null. Current is 1. Next node is 2. And then prev becomes 1. Current becomes 2. Next node becomes 3. And then it would be 2. And then it would be 3. And then it would be 4. And then it would be 5. Is it prev.next? No, I don't know what it is. Why is there a 0? Because we're saying current.next is equal to prev. Four, 3, 2, 1, 0. No, it's prev. What's the issue here? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Why is there a 0? List node 0. List node null. Is that why there's a 0? Because you're setting the next to 0? Wait, prev is equal to null maybe. Because the list node counted as a list node with a value of 0. Oh, I'm just stupid. Okay. There we go. My bad. Everything was right except for the first line. Oh, yeah, you were setting that. Yeah, see, I just needed to close the chat so I could think. Because I get confused. And try to learn how to convert a binary tree in 10 seconds. What is this? Hey, Trend Black Goat. Hey, what up, what up, what up? Oh my god, I'm so full in Popeyes. How are you guys doing? If you're new here, please subscribe. Now we can do the valid palindrome one a little bit better. Yeah, if you guys don't know Trent, he's got good videos. He's my roommate. You can go subscribe to him. He's got like 92K or some shiz. He's got some subscribers. 93.8K. Go, you know, hit this kid up. He's chilling. Cool videos. All right. Valid palindrome. Let's not valid palindrome. The linked list one. Linked list one. Delete node in a linked list. We're doing all the linked list ones. So we could just say, let's just say I went. I'm gonna say that I went over this again today, because we did. Again today, successful without looking at solution. That's a good thing. All right. Where is the linked list shiz? Linked list. Intersection of linked list. Palindrome linked list. All right, let's try and do this now that we know that we could reverse it. We're gonna reverse from halfway. So let's think about how to do this. I don't remember. I didn't even look at the solution really. So we're chilling. Nick, I need a live video that I missed. Roadmap to CP. All right, dude. I am sorry, guys. I'm not putting the lives anywhere. I will put them on Patreon, and my members can have access to them in a few days. I'm trying to figure out the linked situation where I don't, I don't want to post these live streams nonstop, dude. It'll get like annoying, and my whole page will just be live streams. And I want to like make YouTube videos, not live stream videos every time. Live streams are just live. That's how they work. They're just live streams, you know? And the videos or whatever. Okay. Given a singly linked list, determine if it is a palindrome. All right, singly linked list, return. Okay, so we're going to do public void reverse list. And we're going to say list node, node. And then we're just going to write what we just wrote, right? Because we just figured this out, right? So we're going to say list node prev is equal to null. List node current is equal to node, while current is not equal to null. We just figured this out. I should have this off the top of my head. We get the next node is equal to current dot next. And we say, okay, prev is equal to current, nope, current dot next is equal to prev is equal to current, and current is equal to next node. And then at the end, we return prev. That was the exact code, right? Nick White, which software you use to stream all of this? I'm just using my laptop. And, yeah, OBS. Okay. So, is palindrome. So what we want to do is find the length of the list and reverse half of it. So we want to reverse half of the list. Right? Can we do that? How can we do that? Int n, let's say n is 0. While, okay, and then we'll say list node current is equal to head, while current is not equal to null. We will just say current equals current dot next and n plus plus. So we got the length. We got the length. Now we want to go to n divided by 2. Int half is equal to n divided by 2. Current equals head, and then we want to pass in the halfway node to reverse it. While current is not equal to null, it's the same shit, right? This is the same shit. We'll say index plus plus if index is equal to half, then we reverse list on current and break. And then there's another loop. I'm doing this poorly. So I go up to the halfway point and I reverse the list. That's just how I'm thinking about it at the moment. And now what I want to do is I want to set, okay, set index back to 0. And then once I get to list node first half equals head, list node second half is equal to head, second half equals second half dot next. I mean, I'm just doing this pretty garbage-wise. This is just so bad. Slow and fast pointer to get to the mid. Oh, shit, you're totally right. I forgot about that kind of stuff. Please stop spamming. That's not how it works. I went to the middle. Okay, look. This is my idea. This is the reverse method. You go to the middle. You go to the middle of the list. So you go here. And you reverse the rest of it so that it's 1, 2, and then you have 1 star from the beginning and 1 star from the middle and go to the end. Is that right? Give AdCoder a chance. Maybe I do that, but I'm kind of having trouble with the looping situation here, where I'm just making it way more complicated than it needs to be. But you know, that's how it works, and we're just hanging out and doing good. Okay. So yeah, we'll do slow pointers. I forgot about that. Is it fast.next is not equal to null? Probably. Or maybe this? I have no idea. So this gets us to where we want to be. And then we reverse slow. And then we have reference to the head of the beginning. And then, wait, where's fast then? Slow is at the middle after we reverse. Oh, wow, begin. I will know. And then down here, return true. Is this kind of it? So is it just based on value, or do they have to be the same nodes? Is this right? This seems kind of close. Oh, wait, I don't even need this. Sorry. So it's going to go out of bounds. Return prev. Oh, sorry. This goes out of bounds. Null pointer. What's the null pointer now? Accessing it? Why is this a null pointer, guys? I don't get it. How do I do it? Fast is at the end. String can get it. Make sure fast has next. I don't know how to do this. I might have to look at the solution just because seeing you code gives me confidence. I'm not the only one struggling. Yeah, give me 2 weeks though, dude. I'll be killing it. It's only day 2. Okay, we have fast and slow. While fast is not null, oh, you have to check if fast is not null and fast.next is not null. That makes sense. See, I forget all these little details. That makes sense though. True and false. Okay, we're still failing. So fast and slow, fast and slow. We set them both to the head. If fast is not null, so is this y? Oh, okay, if there's an odd number of things. So is this the main condition? Why? It's not working. I mean, we understand the concept, I think. No. Oh, we want to get rid of that. Okay. Still failing. Slow is slow.next, fast is fast.next.next. This looks right. And then we reverse the list on the slow node. And then what? Oh, could we just set fast equals head? Is that what they do in this? They just have fast equal to head at the end? Fast equals head, yeah. They do fast equals head. Head dot next equals prev. Okay, I think we have this one working because we literally just did it. And then fast dot next, slow dot next. Well, slow is not equal to null. Yeah, we're close, but still kind of a fail. But we did kind of get it. What does it say? Fast equals fast dot next. Fast. If the values aren't equal, then it's a false. So the only thing wrong now is the reverse list method, right? If it fails. Or no? Yeah, so the reverse list. Prev is null, while head is not equal to null. We get the next, it's just head dot next, then we set head dot next to prev is head, and head equals next. Well, this looks right, though. Prev is null, current is node, well, current's not null. Next is the next node, current, next is prev is current equals next. This looks right. So what am I doing wrong? Well, slow is not null. If the values aren't the same, return false. Fast is fast, slow is next. What's the issue here? I'm running out of battery. Good night, bro. Good night, bro. Slow equals reverse list. Oh, true. I'm stupid. That is that is the reason. I was gonna say I thought that I had the right thing going on. All right, we got it. So I'm gonna come back to this just because I don't think I did as good as I could do. Palindrome linked list. Come back. Understood concept, but failed at compilation. Okay. Still a ways to go, people. A lot of days left. What is fast dot next? Is no. All right. See ya, dudes. Okay. Yeah. What up? I'm just moving on with these linked list problems here. Middle of the linked list. I mean, is this just a combination of the thing? In a non-empty linked list with the head node, return the middle node of a linked list. If there's two middle nodes, return the second one. So is this just what we did a second ago? Then we should be able to do it pretty easily. Am I right? Is this it? Lately, I've been feeling away. Yep. All right, we got it. Perfect. So that's the palindrome one's way harder, of course, because it's a combination of other ones that we've done. It's valid palindrome plus middle of linked list. List, easy. Okay, that one's good. Let's go back. Returning the second one needs to figure out odd or even. I don't think so, man. Honestly, if it's odd, then you'll get the exact middle. And if it's even, you would get the second one automatically, I think. No. Remove linked list elements. Okay. Just remove all elements from a linked list of integers that have a value val. 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one shouldn't be that bad. Current is equal to head. Well, current. How are you guys on linked list stuff? I'm feeling like I'm getting there. We could probably bump up to mediums on these ones soon. These ones aren't that bad. Does Nick also solve other questions or just linked list? I do other questions. I did some other ones this stream. I'm just focusing on them. I'm starting to get into pathways. You know, I want to start focusing on data structure, specific data. Just move from here to trees to whatever. I did a bunch of the top interview ones and the most liked ones, and I figure it's time to start branching out, knock out like some basic concepts, and then like move up to more medium levels. Nick, do you also prepare for system design? Yeah, I watched 2 hours of system design videos on Twitch after my stream last night, and I will probably do that as well. Okay. We probably will do that as well after this one. So if current.val is equal to val, then what we want to do is set, we want to get rid of the current node. So, I mean, first thing we should do is, let's just do this. While head.val is equal to val, head equals head.next, right? Okay. And then we're going to set current to head, and then we're going to say, okay, while current is not equal to null, if current.val is equal to val, while current dot is not equal to null, and current.next is not equal to null, then we can say if current.next.val is equal to val, then current.next is equal to current.next.next. Return head. Is this right? Something like this? At what time do you sleep? I don't know, random times every night. I have an interview at 12 though tomorrow, so I have to be actually beyond that. Okay. Time limit. Uh-oh. Oh. What is this? Wait, what? Is that the issue? Why is this an issue? Well, head.val is equal to val, head equals head.next. Because you just get rid of it. What? I don't get it. Bro, please save this live playlist. Dude, I've said this so many times. Stop. I'm so over saying talking about this stuff. Yeah. What Nick here? Give him a round of applause. Hey, what up? If you're new, subscribe or whatever, you know, support and subscribe. And I don't see why this isn't working, but you know, we're chilling. Do you know when the dummy node and when not to? Do you know when to create a dummy node? Give me 1 second. Hey, yo. I use motherfucking hand sanitizer. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Like, I did it, dude. Bro, why did you delete day one? I am not saying this anymore. I need to pin a comment or some shit. These live streams are live only unless you are a Patreon or channel member. How do I pin this? I need to figure this out. There is a way. They just said it's a new freaking thing. And I'll just pin that every time now. How do we do it? Pin message. Boom. Now everyone will know. Check that out. That's kind of cool, actually. I watched the systems design stuff on Twitch. I mean, I just need like everything, dude. Can anyone send me day one video? There is no day one video. No day one video. Alright, this guy seems mad. Alright. Wait, what? Mic up right now? Wait, what is this? How is he in my Discord? Days. I don't understand. How do I not have a way to right click for more actions? How do I do this? This is my Discord. I don't understand. I don't know how to ban at all, dude. I'm trying to ban him. How do you ban? Wait, what? Why? How do I do it? Does anyone know how to ban from Discord? I don't know how to do it. Get back to coding? True. I don't know how to ban, dude. I have no idea how to. Why are you trying to ban? Because this guy is mad. I don't know. Because it's my Discord and I can just ban him. And he's mad. So it's easy. All I have to do is ban him. Users on the right. Okay. Wait, how do I do it though? What is his name? Days. A, B, C, D. Days. No, you can't, dude. You cannot ban. How the hell do you do it? Oh shit. He's banned. And you're banned. Get banned, buddy. That's how you do it. And this guy is also the same guy, maybe? I have no idea. I'll just time out him. Dude, I'm like a dictator. You know, just like whoosh, whoosh, ripping people out of internet areas. I like that. That's kind of funny. But, no, not my boy Days. Lol. I mean, he honestly didn't do anything to deserve a ban. I am just stupid, and I just was like, fuck it. I was ban him for no reason because I'm just stupid. All right. What do we do now? This wasn't what we were doing. We were doing this one. So the issue here, while current node, okay, this is going to fail because the head can be null. So wait, the input is 1. And you want to get rid of the 1s. So if head is equal to null, no. If head dot next is equal to null, if head dot val is equal to val, and head dot next equals null, return null. Two conditions, right? And if head while head dot val equals val and head dot next is not equal to null, head equals head dot next, right? It's a null pointer still. What is that? Why? Is this why? That was funny AF. Okay, output is 1, expected is empty. Output is 1 and it's empty. While head is not null. And head dot value is value and head dot next is not equal to null. Output is 1, 2, 1 and it's expected 1, 1. And then you set current equal to head. So does this even need to be there? And then we could just say, oh, hold on, wait, maybe we could just do is this it? No. What is the problem here? Up to $90. I'll pay with them. Become. I'm gonna say that. Okay, man. Head dot next equals remove head dot. Okay, we don't want to do recursion. While pointer dot next is not equal. No. All right, let's look at this. I think the one thing that's holding me back today is the fact that I ate Popeyes during this. Remove linked list elements. Failed. Come back to it. I think I might do 10 questions tonight just because I'm not tired at all. And I'm just fucking hanging out, you know? I might just chill. So this is saying if head is null, return null because there's no nodes, so you're not deleting anything. Then you set a pointer to head, and while pointer dot next is not equal to null because you know that there's a next, because you know head is not null. If pointer dot next dot val equals val, then pointer dot next equals pointer dot next. This is what I wrote. Hey, what up? Else pointer equals pointer dot next. And then at the end of it, if head dot val is equal to val, then you return head dot next, otherwise head. Oh, this is good because I like this one. Don't ask a man his GPA. What was your GPA? I don't know, like a three something. Hey, Nick White, enjoying this live stream and studying too. What materials are you using to study system design? YouTube. My whole plan, which I made a video on, how I'm studying for my interviews, is 5 easy questions a day for the first week, which I've been doing. I mean, it's day 2. And then 2 hours of YouTube where I just watch videos on systems design. I watched these videos yesterday. I watched a few other ones besides these 2. I watched those on Twitch. That stream is still up, I'm pretty sure. So I was watching a lot of Gaurav yesterday. He has good systems design videos. Went over load balancing and a few other concepts. Horizontal, vertical scaling, load balancing. What else do we go over? Consistent hashing. Some other stuff like that. Alright. This soda is killing me, dude. I need way more coffee. I'm going to have to chug 4 cups of coffee tonight. And then I have my Mongo interview at 12. Oh, God. Okay. So let's just write this out again just so I remember it. If head is equal to null, return null, because there's nothing to delete. And then current would be equal to head. Well, current, we know that current has a value because we already checked if head is null. We checked if this is null, it's not null. So while current dot next is not equal to null, if current dot next dot val is equal to val, current equals current dot next, and then else current equals current dot next. So you just move the list along otherwise. And then at the end, we will return head.val equals val, question mark, head.next, otherwise head. So at the end, if the head's value is equal to the value we want to delete, then we just return the next node, otherwise we return the head. And I think this was the solution. I like this one a lot. I'm a member of a channel, still cannot access day 1 videos. Yeah, sorry, I had it up, and I'm working on fixing that. It'll be up tonight, though. I'll have that set up tonight. You'll have I woke up and I went live like pretty right away, so I didn't have time to like set everything up. But there's like a members only option that I was looking into for the live streams, but the problem is that that's a problem for Patreon people. So I'm looking into how to figure that out. I don't know if I'm going to do links or, I don't know what I'm going to do. So I just have to look into it a little bit more. Okay, so what is this? Well, current.next is not equal to null. Why is this a null pointer? Current.next is not equal to null. If head is null, return null. Otherwise, then we set current to head, so it's not null. Oh, no. Sorry. My bad. Oh, I fucked it up. You set the next node to the next node, right? What? How is this possible? This is what he wrote too. Oh, it has to be else. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to increment. I see. You don't want to move the node. You don't want to move the list along every single time. When you're deleting a node, you don't want to move the list along. Because you might just want to set it to the next. You might want to just keep deleting nodes. That kind of makes sense. Don't get how people can wear earphones instead of headphones for a long period of time. I have headphones. I never wear them. I have Beats. I never wear them ever. I had Bose Quiet Comforts a while ago. Those were nice, but I got rid of them. Ooh. How to prepare for internships, leak code, stuff like that. Love you, dude. Keep rocking. You too, dude. Dude. Did we do like most of the linked list ones now? Linked list cycle. That's one of the harder ones. Reverse it. Remove linked list elements. Palindrome, middle of linked list. What was the problem we just did? Did I write that down? Yeah. I guess we could do this one. This one's hard too, I think. This one's harder. Harder one of them. Oh no, this is newer. Okay. What if you return, can I hire you as a mentor? Yeah, sure. $5,000. No, I'm just kidding, dude. No, I don't do that. That would take forever. I barely have time as it is. Okay. Given head, which is a reference to a singly linked list. The value of each element in the linked list is either 0 or 1. Value of each node in a list is 0 or 1. The linked list holds a binary representation of a number. Return the decimal value of the number in the linked list. 101. Okay, so we'd want to go backwards almost. I'd probably reverse it. We'd probably want to reverse it. Let's get this node prove is equal to null. Well, current is not equal to null. List node next node equals current dot next. Current next is equal to prev equals current equals next node. I have this shit like memorized at this point. Okay. So once it's, so let's say list node head is equal, let's just say head is equal to head. Reverse. Head equals reverse list head. So you reverse the whole list. And then we say decimal equals 0. And then we just go list node current equals head. Well, current. Actually, we could just use head. Well, head is not equal to null. Place, we want the place int index equals 0 or whatever it's called. What is it? Multiply exponent. Exponent is, it's going to be 2 to the exponent. Let's just say exponent is equal to 0. Exponent plus plus. So it starts at 1 actually, right? 2 to the 1. Decimal plus equals 2 to the exponent. Exponents Java. All right, math dot something. Math dot pow. Okay. Math dot pow of 2 to the exponents. Return decimal. Is this right? Don't reverse it? Oh shit, the value changes. My bad. Alright, yeah, that's totally wrong then. Okay, how do I go backwards? I can't go backwards. There's no previous. So if I go forward, then I just need to start at the length of the list. I mean, I could get the length of the list. Num nodes, num digits is equal to 0. Num digits plus plus. And we could just do this. So this node current is equal to head. Current is not equal to null. Current is equal to head. Well, current is not equal to null. Then we do decimal plus equals math.pow of decimal times equals hold on, let me think. Num digits is 0, and then we have the number of digits times equals num digits. So wait. If it was, for example, 101, it's 3 digits. So decimal is 0. And then we'd say, okay, we want this to be 8. So we want it to be, wait a minute, 2, 4, 8. How do we do this? Do you just add it? Do you add all of these numbers? 8 plus, I think it might just be addition. Math.pow of head or current.val and num digits minus and then decrement. Is this right? (101) last executed input. Oh, we didn't do this. Two and 5. Output is 2 because we're just adding. Well, the num digits should be how many nodes there are. So let's say it's 3 nodes. 3. So the current value 1. Oh no. It's oh, if it's a 1, then it counts, and if it's not, then it doesn't. Oh shit. So then it would be more like, okay, if current.val is equal to 1, decimal plus equals it's math.pow of 2 to num digits. So it's like that. More. 10. Okay, so we have 3. Well, maybe we should print this out. System that out. Print ln num digits. Let me run this and see what we're getting. Num digits is 3. Okay, that's exactly right. So 2 to the 3 is 8. And we're expecting 5. Wait. 2. A 0 doesn't count. And then a 4. Wait, what does this count as? Does this just count as 1? 2, 4? Oh, it's 1, 2, 4. Is it 1, 2, 4? 5 and 5. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I guess it's 1, 2, 4. I don't remember binary. I'm an idiot. All right, we got it. Let's go. I got it. It might not be the optimal solution, but I mean, it's a solution. What do you guys think? Yeah, we did it. Okay, let's see what the best way to do it is. I thought that we did it good and we actually passed though. Let me see. All right, yeah, sorry, I was responding to something, but I think we did good. Okay, let's look at what the solution is. That's good. Okay, so they did bit manipulation, and I did not do that. We do have to get good at bit manipulation since I'm just bad at it. I'm gonna count this as a dub. Convert binary number. Since it's an easy problem, I doubt you even have to do bit manipulation as the answer. Binary number in a linked list to an integer. Okay, and the solution for this was num is head.val, so we get the head value. While head.next is not equal to null, num equals num times 2 plus head.next.val. Excuse me? This was the answer? Num is head.val. So we get 1, which was supposed to be 4. If head.next is not null, then num equals num times 2. So 1 times 2 plus the next val. What? Hold on. Let me see what this is. We have 2 problems: to parse a non-empty linked list, return the digit. Second is to convert 101 squared into 1 times 2 squared plus 0 times 2 to the 1 plus 1 times 2 to the 0. It can be solved in 2 ways. To use classic arithmetic is more straightforward. Num is 1. Num is equal to 1 times 2 plus 0 equals 2. Num is equal to 2 times 2. So num is equal to 2 times 2. Oh, you're multiplying by 2 every time. And use bitwise operations is faster. Okay. Num is equal to 1. Num is 1 times 2. 0. All right. So that's about it. I mean, we did some problems. I'm gonna go over them. I'm actually not feeling too good from the Popeyes. I'm gonna go on a run and drink some coffee and drink a water. And then I'm going to go on Twitch and watch Systems Design for a bit. So if you want to watch Systems Design videos with me, watch them there. Kind of a fail. Future reference, don't eat Popeyes midway through this because it's going to just ruin your motivation, drive, and mental processing. So eat healthy is something I learned today. That's a good takeaway. I'm going to do probably a few questions on Twitch too because I don't know. I feel like I just feel like garbage from eating Popeyes. I feel like I have ruined my entire day, but thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry about this. Please subscribe if you're new. I'm sorry, this stream kind of sucked, to be honest, just because I didn't have it, dude. I didn't have it, but I'm going to figure out how to post these for patrons and members too tonight, so those will be up, and I'm going to figure out what I do to do these. All right. Thank you guys. I'm sorry about this, but sorry about the stream. Tomorrow's will be a lot more legit. All right. Peace.